Welcome back to Why Universe. Today, we are tackling the ultimate cosmic speed trap. I mean, honestly, why can't we just pedal harder? Why is light the absolute limit?
It's such a fundamental question, right? And it's not just some arbitrary rule, like a speed limit on the highway. It's actually baked into the very fabric of how our universe works.
Right, so it's not like the universe just has a really strict highway patrol. There's something deeper happening. Explain it to me like I'm someone who really wants a warp drive.
Okay, so think about E equals mc squared. Everyone knows the equation, but here's what it actually means for speed. Energy and mass are two sides of the same coin. As you push an object faster and faster, you're pumping energy into it, right?
Yeah, exactly. More fuel, more push, more speed. Simple physics. Or so I thought.
Well, here's the catch. As you approach the speed of light, that energy doesn't just increase your speed anymore. It starts contributing to your mass. The object actually becomes essentially heavier or more resistant to being moved.
Wait, what? So you're saying if I'm in a spaceship and I'm pushing 99% the speed of light, my ship actually gets harder to move?
Thoughtful. Exactly. It becomes incredibly stubborn. To get that last 1% to reach the speed of light, you would need literally an infinite amount of energy. And well, we don't have an infinite amount of that lying around.
Infinite energy? Wow, that's a pretty big bill to pay at the gas station. So basically, the faster you go, the more the universe says, nope, you're too heavy now.
That's a great way to put it. And there's also the weirdness of time. As you speed up, time for you actually slows down compared to the rest of the world. If you somehow hit light speed, time would essentially stop for you.
No way! So if I'm a photon, I'm basically immortal because time doesn't exist for me? That's wild.
Right. Photons are massless, which is the only reason they can travel at that speed. Anything with even a tiny bit of mass, like an atom or a human, is anchored by these laws.
It's mind-blowing how the universe has these built-in boundaries. It's not just a speed limit, it's a structural limit. Man, I love this stuff.
It really makes you appreciate how special light actually is. It's the baseline for everything we see and know.
Absolutely. Well, that's all the time we have for this deep dive into the cosmic speed limit. If you enjoyed this journey through space-time, please make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to Why Universe. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are still waiting for their warp drives. See you next time.